Vagu, and today I'm getting my hair colored. Yay! Because it's been a long time I have these hair. Like it's been an year or something I have these hair, so I'm bored of it seriously. So yeah, I'm gonna have something else. And the golden color, like the golden highlights, are actually almost faded. So yeah, I'm gonna have some different color. Firstly, I was thinking for red. I should go for red or burgundy because it's totally in these days. And then I thought that I should go for blue. It's also in. But then I thought I should go for something different. I thought it would look very different on me because I don't really have that kind of skin tone. So maybe it won't suit me, and I'm not actually used to the red and blue colors. So I'm gonna go for something else. I don't really know yet, to be honest. But I'm gonna vlog everything, which color I'm gonna do and how it actually gonna turn out to be. So I'm really scared as well because I don't want to mess with my hair. But let's see. I'm gonna choose something good and I'm gonna choose wisely. And let's see how it goes. Hey guys. Yeah, this is my final color. Like not final till now. This is my color, which looks like pretty much this. I know this is not really looking good on me. I thought it would. The global color would suit me, but it isn't suiting me that much. So I guess I need to change this. And yeah, I'm gonna get it changed. I've kept this color for one day and now I'm gonna get it changed today. So yeah, let's go. It's actually very smooth. Like my hair are very silky and smooth right now, but the color is not really going with my vibe. So yeah, I must get it changed right now. So I'm going over there. I'm gonna vlog it again. So yeah, let's see. Hey guys! So yeah, these are my hair. These are my final hair, which I would love to keep because I am completely loving it. Right now it's been styled because I have just changed it an hour ago or something. So yeah, it's been like this and I'm completely loving it because it is good. It's completely going with my vibe. And I've actually wanted these hair for so long. So yeah, I love these. And actually, you would have watched all the clips by now. So yeah, I will love to tell you that this tragedy happened with me. Yeah, and many people love those hair. Like many people like those hair. Literally, many people message that, "Oh God, your hair is looking so pretty," and I was like, yeah, they're looking pretty in filters. To be honest, they were actually looking very pretty in filters, in effects. But these are the normal hair. You can watch. This is a normal camera with no effects or something. It's just the lights of my room lights and a ring light. And yeah, these are my hair, like actual hair. So you can see the originality, the naturality, whatever, the natural hair. These are the hair. So yeah, these are looking very pretty and these are completely going with my vibe. It turned out to be super good, but what actually happened was pretty much like that. I would love to tell you that I chose a color which I thought would come out to be like light blonde with ash mix, like it would be an ash color with a little blonde. So yeah, I thought that it would be looking good on me, would look pretty much good on anybody. I don't really have a very fair skin, that's why maybe I wasn't getting that cool vibe in that hair maybe. So yeah, I wouldn't really say that it was bad. I wouldn't say that because my mom really liked those hair, but I didn't. It was pretty good, it was fine, but these are the ones that I always wanted. So yeah, these are the ones I'm gonna keep. And many people were actually asking about my stylist. I'm gonna link that stylist name with the number in the description box below in case you want to check it, in case you want to get your hair transformation, because it's a new year, so yeah, new hair are necessary. Just kidding. Okay, so yeah, I wanted these hair for so long and I got these. You know what happened was, like, I was literally shocked when I actually got those, but you know, I never wanted those blonde. I thought it would be like with the highlights or something, but it really wasn't matching with my vibe. It wasn't matching with my skin tone, it wasn't matching with anything. So yeah, it was like, you know, you have to style it always, like you have to style it every single freaking time. That was those hair, and I cannot style it. Like, I'm sleeping, so I would sleep like very badly, I would get my hair ruined, so I cannot keep those hair at all. So I got it done today, like day before yesterday I got those hair done and today I got these hair done before an hour ago or something. So yeah, I like this hair, and I think that you guys also like these hair pretty much because many people like those hairs, I don't know. And I really wanted these hair, you can see. Yeah. I love these. Yay. So yeah, this was pretty much for this video. And yeah guys, I want to tell you all that I am thinking of making a video, like posting a video every Monday, because in this way I'll be actually regular on YouTube, because I'm not really regular. I make videos very rare. So yeah, I'll be making videos, like more videos, of course. It could be anything, like whatever I'm doing in a day. It could be a vlog, wherever I'm going that day. And yeah, actually the first time I'm posting my hair transformation video, so I'm feeling quite good that I'm pretty active on this. Like, I'm actually thinking, I thought that yes, I can make this video. So yeah, I tried it, and yes, here I am. I did it quite well, I guess. So yeah, that was pretty much for this video, and thank you for watching. Thank you for tuning in with my videos and my channel. So yeah, bye bye.